In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer money from your Visa gift card to Cash App and whether or not it is possible to do this. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. Usually, you can add money or cash to your Cash App wallet by simply linking your bank, debit card, or credit card to your account by going to your profile and then following the steps I'm showing you on screen. If you try, however, to use a Visa reward card or a Visa gift card, you will notice that the Cash App will not accept the Visa gift card that you have regardless of which option you pick. Even if you try to link it to your account page, it won't work and the balance will not be transferred to your Cash App wallet. So, sadly, as of today, it is still impossible to transfer money from a Visa gift card to Cash App. The only way you can add cash to your Cash App wallet is by using a valid bank account, debit card, or credit card. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it is not possible to transfer money from your Visa gift card to your Cash App account. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.